you upload your video, stop. Make I tell you wetin you go do. Make I tell you wetin dem dey call behind the scene. Wetin big creators dey do at the back before they upload your video. Na wetin dey make their video go viral. Most of them no go tell you this. I dey tell you so that two of us go grow. Na wetin dem dey do be say first dey edit video, send out their video get view. Get some things wey dem dey talk, wey dem dey do, wey dey make their video get view. If this is the first time jamming this channel I teach small creators like mine on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get more views, more subscribers, and how to monetize your channel successfully in this YouTube, which could happen in this 2026. So let's go. When you don edit your video finish, send it to YouTube. Wetin you go do be say you go come to this place. Okay, make I use this channel. If you come to this place, you go to search. This place you go come type how to get 1,000 subscribers. Now you now click okay, how to get 1,000 subscribers. So every video where you see this place now 1,000 subscribers, then they talk about now how to get 1,000 subscribers. So what we dey find here now the video will perform well, will do well. So now that video we want take use do this. May we find person where we say we get okay. May we check this person now. This person video got 40k views. Anything from 20, 30 is okay, 40 is very okay. So this one now you can see. I click here. So let me
how you're doing it.
Pause the video. Then make we go check the description where this person use. Now look at the description. My open as you can see, this is now the description where this person use for this video. So what we go do now is say I go come here, come copy this description where this person use. I come copy her. So I copy, I don't copy and finish. I will now go to ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT go help us make that thing no go be the same thing. So I come here, come click here, then I now paste that thing there. I come drop and there. Then I'll come tell ChatGPT help me rank this video high. So I come click go. Now you see ChatGPT is going to give us close to what she have. Say what did she get? If you read this thing they go, you go see say you go get close to waiting the person get, but you know go be word to word. So this one we will get now an original copy for our own. So what thing I go do be say I go just come here, I will come copy everything where ChatGPT give me here, where be saying at the hashtag. So okay, make I add the tag as well. Join. So I will come copy the thing, come go to the video where I want use. Now we come to the description. This is the description. I will just paste it like this, put it. I don't do this one. You never finish. So we can't go back again. Can't go to the tags where she used. Then we can't go to keywords. So we go back to keywords where she used. Now the keywords with this one now. So I will just put my hand here. Then come copy all the keywords where she use. As I don't copy them like this, I will go back to ChatGPT. I will come paste the thing here. I'll come paste the thing here. As I paste it here, I will come tell ChatGPT say, let me rank high on these keywords. Rank high on these keywords. Make the characters below 480. If the characters are above 480, it will not save. So you make sure say your characters now all these words where ChatGPT give me now be character. So you make sure say you know pass 480. You dey below 480. You fit even put 30, if you even put 40, but make it no pass 480, because if you pass 480, you no go save. So now wetin you go type, send am. Make we see wetin ChatGPT go give us. Now you see it come for copy and paste. These words come in copy and paste. So wetin I go do is I go just come here, come copy. I can't go back to our video. To that video we will see the create. So when I can't go back there, click here, we'll go edit. Now come here, go to our description. At the down of that our description, paste here. Like so, as you can see, I don't paste am. Now the keywords wey ChatGPT give us be that. So we come here, come save am
for free
as it is. Or if you can't copy it, you just write it as it is and you carry it to your video and go and put it on that same video that you create. Put it on that same video. Then let's go. So you come to this place. 1,000 subscribers in 2 days. So you just save your video. When we save them, so e get another thing wey I wan show you, wey many people dey ignore. If you send your video, no dey ignore this thing. You come here, you can't do altered content. When you put altered content, you say no. This one say to follow YouTube policies, you require to tell us if your content is altered or synthetic and seem real. This include realistic sound or visual made with AI or other tools. So if your content na you do am, na your own, you no use anything that is AI, you go click no, not altered content. If na AI or any other things na you use do your video, you go click yes. Because if you no dey click this yes or no, once you, if you, let's say you do video and you now go and click the video yes, it automatically tell YouTube say don't promote this video. But if the video na altered content or AI content, you just click yes. You just click yes. This will help YouTube to know that this content is altered content. So you are clean. Nothing will happen to your video. But if you go say yes when the answer is supposed to be no, you are just putting your channel in danger. So you answer that no. Now you come to this place, indicate. We have places that say made for kids. If it's for kids, you say yes, it's made for kids. If it's not for kids, you say no. And this related video, you add video that is close, like this one. And then I want to use this one as my related video. I add this one. Now if then after this we save it. Now we have saved it. The next thing you do also is to go to your Chrome. You know where you add your cards, you add your stick, you add your card, you add your end screen. So this will help to advertise other videos that you create. Other videos, not advertising the present one, but advertising other videos in your channel. So that is what that end screen and card does to your feed. So if you do this thing consistently, anytime when you upload your videos, you go see say your video go start dey get view. Your video go start dey get view. This one no be magic, no be luck. Na practicals wey I tell you na there is no how wey you go upload video on YouTube where you no go get view. You go get view because all those their titles that they use, the thumbnail they use, and the description has been proven by YouTube say e dey okay. That is why that thing get view. Another thing secret why I go tell you be say if you want to create content, go search people where they your niche, where they do 1 or 2 things on that your niche, that same niche. Check those one wey get, let's say their subscribers na 5,000. They go do one video, that video can't get like 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 views. Go take that video, watch that video very well. I'm not saying you should copy the video word for word. What you do is that you copy how they do that video. When you copy that video, you take the same formula that I told you now on that video. Why that video get view? Because YouTube don't prove say that video don't prove say e dey okay. That's why that video get view. So if you like this video and you find value on this video, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up. So next time I come, I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.